I'm going to show you how you can include graphics for sense of belonging in your class presentations. So let's get started. I have logged into Canva and I am on my home page. I'm going to look for a presentation template. So on the left toolbar, you will see templates. Click templates. And then in the top, I am going to search morning meeting. It's a lot easier to start with a template because it's already created. All you have to do is edit for your purposes. I do notice there's the EDU icon on this, which means it was created for education. I see there's a couple more with the EDU icons. I'm going to use this one because I see that it's a presentation with a few slides. So let's preview that. Okay, this looks like a great starting point. So I'm going to click Customize this template, and this will bring me to the editing page. So here's the cover page. I might switch how these are out of order: Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday. So anyway, of course, I could make edits to this. But the point here is that we're using graphics for inclusion so that students see themselves in their daily class routines. So let's skip over to Monday. And let's say that I have a leader each day that leads our Monday morning meeting, or every day. So what I want to do is add a picture of my student leader for the day. And first, you would want to make sure you have pictures of all of your students saved on your computer. So you could take a picture of them and then upload them to your computer and save them in a folder somewhere. Or if you have them on file, maybe they're class pictures, you could use that too. So let's go over to the left toolbar and click Uploads. Now, when I click on Uploads, I can upload files. And here's where you're going to find the file and search for the pictures of your students that are saved. Here's a picture of Harrison. I will use this as an example and click Open. Now it will appear here and it will be saved here in your uploads. So you can scroll through your uploads and always find pictures that you have uploaded from your computer. You don't have to re-upload them each time. So let's go back and try that again. I'll click Upload, Upload Files. I select my file and click Open. Now, we've already done this. It already lives here. So now I'll just click on that picture and the picture of Harrison will pop into my presentation. I would like to resize this. So I'm going to grab the corner and pull, or I can crop by double clicking and these 4 white corners will show up. I'm going to crop it here and click off when you're ready. Now I'm going to remove the background so he really pops off the page. That's the trick to making this feel just more interesting and engaging for the students. So I click the picture and I select BG Remover, which stands for Background Remover, on my toolbar here. So it's removing the background. And now it looks like Harrison is just popping off the page. Now I still have to resize this a bit so I can see the words. Okay, so now I see Harrison's our student leader. This is really exciting for him to see himself, and it's a great visual cue for students to know who's leading the Monday morning meeting. Likewise, let's say for a different project, you had students who were paired up for a project. So let's say I want 2 students who are leading the greeting this morning, or maybe they're just paired up for a project if this were a different presentation. I'm going to scroll down to find the pictures of my students here. So let's say Natalie and Gabe are leading today. So I just clicked on their picture, popped them in. I'm going to resize them and move them around a little bit. Okay, and now I click on their picture and choose BG Remover. And I might try to fit them in better here by resizing and moving around. Now the students can see the 2 students who are paired together for this project, or in this case, the greeting for Tuesday. So this is just a really great way for students to be included in daily routines and procedures, showing leadership, or various ways to build a sense of belonging into the classroom. I hope you can give this a try. When you're done, you can either click share and download to save this, or really I just keep this in Canva. So every time I go back to my home page in Canva, I see it in my recent designs. So here is my morning meeting. And then when I present this to students, I click on Present at the top. I choose Present Full Screen, and then I click Present. Now I can click through my slides and I can present this to students. Have fun!